Hey guys, Nick from Drake Trailers here. Today I just want to talk about our air-operated ramp chain tensioners. Now these operate off of a booster in the back of the ramp and a swing arm located on the side. With the single flick of a switch, releases the tension on our swing arm, giving us the ability to remove the chain and lower our ramps ready for loading. Now once we're finished loading, basically vice versa, put our chain back into our slot, flick our little switch, and we're tensioned and ready to go. One of the main benefits of the pneumatic ramp chain tensioners is going to have to be efficiency. If you're an operator out there doing multiple loads a day, this could be the great addition to the spec of your next float. I hope you enjoyed this informative video. I'm Nick and I'll see you next time.